Hello, dear students. Welcome to your English class. Today, let us read the lesson The Prince and the Pauper, Part 3. Dear students, in our previous class, we came to know that Tom Canty's favorite dream was to meet the prince, isn't it? Now, his dream comes true, and finally, one fine day, he meets the prince. Now, let us see what happens next in the story. "What is your name, boy?" asked the prince to a strange looking lad. "Tom Canty, sir," he replied. The prince found this name to be odd. "Where do you live?" enquired the prince. "In the city in Awful Court of Pudding Lane," answered Tom. This address too sounded rather strange to the prince. Dear students, let me explain. When both Tom and the prince met each other, Tom appeared to be a strange looking lad to prince. Strange means very different and very unusual. Lad means a boy, so strange looking lad means a boy who was looking very different and very unusual. Now, the prince inquired means asked the information about Tom's name and the place he lived. Tom replied prince that his name is Tom Canty and he lived in the London city in Awful Court of Pudding Lane, means away from Pudding Lane. The prince found that the name of Tom Canty and the name of place he lived very strange. Growing curious about Tom's family, the prince asked further, "Do you have parents?" "I have parents and a grandmother who is not kind to me. God forgive me if it is wrong to say so. I also have twin sisters, Nan and Bet," replied Tom. Now, the prince wanted to know more about Tom's family, so he asked Tom whether he has parents. Tom replied that he has parents and a grandmother. Tom said that his grandmother did not love him and she was very unkind to him. He also told Prince that he has twin sisters, Nan and Bet. Students, do you know who twins are? Twins are two people who are born together to the same mother. "So, your grandmother does not love you?" asked the prince. "My grandmother loves nobody as she has a wicked heart," said Tom. When Prince asked Tom about his grandmother, Tom said that his grandmother did not love him. In fact, she loved nobody because she had a wicked heart. Dear students, having wicked heart means something that is bad and harmful. So, people who are wicked hearted do not love anyone. Here, Tom's grandmother was wicked hearted and did not love Tom at all. "Does she mistreat you?" the prince asked. "There are times when she is drunk or asleep and does not lift her hand, but she makes up for it by beating harder at other times," replied Tom sadly. Now, the prince asked Tom whether his grandmother mistreated him. Students, to mistreat someone means to not treat well. So, Tom told Prince that his grandmother did not treat him well. She did not beat him when she is asleep or drunk. She only used to beat him harder at other times. The prince was very disturbed by this. What? Does she beat you? He asked angrily. Yes, indeed, Tom confirmed. How can she beat you? You are so small and weak. I will have her imprisoned in the tower immediately, the prince declared. The prince was very disturbed, means upset, with Tom's grandmother because she used to beat a small and weak boy like Tom. He said he will imprison, means he will lock Tom's grandmother immediately in the tower. Tower means royal palace. So Prince told that he will immediately imprison Tom's grandmother in the tower. Sir, the tower is for important people. My grandmother has a lowly place in the society, Tom pointed out. The prince admitted that he had not thought of that. I will decide her punishment later, he said. Now, when Prince told Tom that he will imprison his grandmother, Tom said that tower imprisonment is only for important people and his grandmother do not belong to a high society. So, the prince decided to punish Tom's grandmother sometime later. Okay, dear students, let us stop here and continue to read the story in our next class. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.